I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to take a look at point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And I just want to show you one thing that can maybe help you appreciate where this equation comes from and also make it a little bit easier to memorize. So hopefully by this point you've already been introduced to slope. If you're not yet familiar with how to calculate slope, then please feel free to watch our video on finding slope when given two coordinates. However, if you do know how to calculate slope, then hopefully we know that your slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And if we keep that in mind, then we can see that really all we've done here to get point-slope form is we multiplied the entire thing times x2 minus x1. So we're left with y minus y1 equals your slope times x, which is like saying x2 minus x1. So that's where point-slope form originates from, and that, if we remember this formula for slope, hopefully makes it easier to rearrange that to find point-slope form. Now let's try to plug in our values accordingly and see what point-slope form looks like when we're given the value of slope, 3 in this case, and we're given a specific coordinate that that line will actually pass through. So to do this, for the y and the x value, we're going to leave those as variables. But for y1 and x1, that's where we're going to plug in the corresponding coordinates from the coordinate given, which is always listed your x1 and then your y1 value. So here, we would have y minus y1 is negative 2, so it's minus a negative 2, equals m, which is our slope of 3, times x minus x1, x minus 4, which is our value for x1. And then to tidy it up a little bit, we would have y plus 2 equals 3 times x minus 4. And that would be point-slope form. Now, if you ever had to take something like this and convert it into slope-intercept form, that's actually something that we'll cover in our next video, so please feel free to click and watch that. Otherwise, we'll take a look at this second example, and we'll follow this same format with these values over here. So m equals 1/4, and our coordinate x1 comma y1 is 0 comma 6. So y minus y1 is y minus 6 equals 1/4 times x minus x1, which is 0. And to tidy this up a little bit, if we have minus 0, we can ignore that because minus 0 just means that you're not changing the value. It's the same as if it just said x. So this would simplify to y minus 6 equals 1/4 x. For more, let me just go ahead and circle our answer. And for more, please feel free to watch more of our videos on YouTube, or you can visit our website at sandersontestprep.com and watch some of our math videos on STP TV. Thanks for watching.